Now the question is, what is the time limit for presenting documents for registration under Registration Act 1908? That means period to register documents in Bangladesh. There is time limit in presenting documents for registration in Bangladesh. The document should be presented for registration within the prescribed time limit. That means document which need to be registered within 3 months, and the other is documents which need to be registered within 4 months. As per Section 23 of the Registration Act 1908, every document in general other than a will shall be accepted for registration within 3 months to the proper officer from the date of its execution. Next point is documents which can be registered within 4 months. For this purpose, Section 23A capital A states that if a document requiring registration has been accepted for registration by a registrar or sub-registrar from a person not duly empowered to present the same, and has been registered, any person claiming under such document may, within 4 months from his first becoming aware that the registration of such document is invalid. Therefore, it is necessary to satisfy that the document was so accepted for registration from a person not duly empowered to present. That means the specific person or the specific officer not duly empowered to present the place. He shall proceed to the re-registration of the document as to the registration of documents shall apply to such re-registration. Section 24 states where there are several persons executing a document at different times, such document may be presented for registration and re-registration within 4 months from the date of each execution. Therefore, where 2 or more persons executing a legal document not in same time will get 4 months for registration. For example, the buyer signs the document on 1st January 2020 and the seller signs the document on 1st February 2020. The party may present his legal documents to be registered within 4 months from 1st February 2020. Section 25 states if owing to urgent necessity or unavoidable accident any document executed or copy of a decree or order made in Bangladesh is not presented for registration till after the expiration of the time prescribed, that is 3 months, in that behalf, the registrar can, in this case where the delay in presentation does not exceed 4 months, may direct that such document shall be accepted for registration. That means for unavoidable accident or for urgent necessity, the registrar can give permission, uh, which is give permission where the documents or the presentation does not exceed 4 months, and can give permission such document shall be accepted for registration. Section 26 states when a document purports to have been executed by all or any of the parties out of Bangladesh is not presented for registration till after the expiration of the time prescribed, that is 3 months. In that behalf, the registering officer can also allow for registration if satisfied that the instrument was so executed and that it has been presented for registration within 4 months after its arrival in Bangladesh. Bangladesh may, on payment of the proper registration fee, accept such documents for registration without any fine. Now the question is where a person will go to submit a legal document for registration. Section 28 states Documents affect immovable property shall be presented for registration in the office of a sub-registrar within whose sub-district the whole or major portion of the property to which such document relates is situated. Every document not being a document referred in section 28 or a copy of a decree or order may be presented for registration either in the office of the sub-registrar in whose sub-district the document was executed or in the office of any other sub-registrar at which all the person executing and claiming under the document desire the same to be registered. For this purpose, it is also necessary to know who may present documents for registration. A document to be registered is required to be presented at the proper registration office by some person executing or claiming under it, or by representative or assign of such person, or by agent of such person, representative or assigned, duly authorized by a power of attorney. In our next video, we will look at the legal format of legal notice, affidavit with the theoretical aspects. Thank you. That's all for this week class, that is week 4. Hopefully very soon we will meet together on Google Classroom as consultation hour. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me on consultation hour.